हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स क्लास 12th के लिए हमने जो टॉपिक लिया है, हम जो टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं रादर इवोल्यूशन। तो इवोल्यूशन में आज हमें एक और पॉइंट पढ़ना है, हार्डी-विनबर्ग्स प्रिंसिपल। हार्डी-विनबर्ग्स प्रिंसिपल, ये हार्डी-विनबर्ग्स प्रिंसिपल क्या है और कहाँ तक इवोल्यूशन के साथ ये जस्टिफाई हो रहा है। हार्डी-विनबर्ग्स प्रिंसिपल में जो है पहला पॉइंट है वो है पॉपुलेशन जेनेटिक्स। Population genetics is the study of gene frequencies in populations and the trends of their change under varied conditions. यानी युस हसा हार्डी-विनबर्ग्स प्रिंसिपल गोडुक पॉइंट छ, दैट इज पॉपुलेशन जेनेटिक्स। कुन आबादी हूँ जेनेटिक्स किस यम थुड छा, जीट छा, लकट छा, मुट छा, जईल छा, क्या छ, नस किस छ, अश किस छ, एक्सटर्नल मोर्फोलॉजी किस छ, यह वुचन। That is the study of gene frequencies in the population and the trends of their change under varied conditions. Pat yim halat at population sat yavan छ, tım kit pach hekan ye face karit. Population or Mendelian population is a group of individuals present in a geographical area. Population का चीज़ साइंस हिसाब के आबादी या इस पर मेंडल अत पर काम करा तथ थो ना तम साथ मेंडेलियन पॉपुलेशन मतलब कुछ जाय छु वही तिल गोल फुल यह गई तिल गोल फुल पॉपुलेशन मर्डर उस मर्डर पे ज्यादा पीएस पे कर ज्यादा पायसम स्टेवंस पे कर ज्यादा यह पॉपुलेशन। सो पॉपुलेशन यह वन ए ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स फर्दन हुंद ग्रुप अकिस जियोग्राफिकल एरिया मज विच शेयर कॉमन पूल यमन जीन पूल कॉमन आसि। Gene frequency is the percentage of an allele in relation to the total alleles of a gene present in the interbreeding population. यानी gene frequency हसा गई is the percentage of an allele in relation to the total alleles. यानी total alleles कदा छ population मज तम मज अख हिस्सा which contains constitute gene pool यथ gene pool वनान छ। A change in relative frequency of an allele brings about evolution. पता सा अगर अत मज थोड़ा बहुत चेंज यी अत पॉपुलेशन मज कुछ मज चेंज यी तथ वन यह गई दैट इज कॉल्ड evolution. This occurs due to some selective pressure. यह कित पट गसान छ due to some selective pressure. However, normally the alleles tend to maintain an equilibrium with reference to one another over the generation irrespective of the phenotypic expression. यम alleles यम वन छ पॉपुलेशन मज या वन जेनेटिक्स मज alleles phenotypic और genotypic तिमन मज कुन साथ है नॉर्मली कुन alleles पे कह मतलब इक्विलिब्रियम बनाने खतर कुन साथ प्रेशर ति बढ़ित कुन पॉपुलेशन या कुन चीज कुन हालात तो मगर कोशिश करान जेनेटिक इक्विलिब्रियम या इनर्शिया बराबर थानस। This genetic equilibrium will operate under certain conditions. For example, population is stable throughout the year. Population is stable throughout the year. There is no immigration or emigration. Size of population is large because population has kafi. Mutations are negligible. Agar mutations is negligible also. Sex ratio is unity and mating is random. Sex ratio is unity to mating is for example, G.H. Hardy and Wilhelm Weinberg proposed a theorem of principle independently in 1908 about the genetic structure of non-evolving population. It is known as Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, HWE. The allelic frequencies in a non-evolving population are stable and remain constant from generation to generation. The allelic frequencies in a non-evolving population. Agar hasa kah population vazbos kun asl, tathan hasa yim allelic frequency to mas stable and they will remain constant. Ek generation per biki generation. The two alleles of a gene, for example P and Q, sum up to 100% are one. They segregate during the gamete formation and then come together randomly at the same time at the time of fertilization with equal chance of each of the allele combining with its own type or other allele. So we can have a calculation here. P plus Q And these are the allelic frequencies. For example, P plus Q is equal to 1, or P plus Q square is equal to 1, or P square plus 2PQ plus Q square is equal to 1. So the percentage value of homozygous and heterozygous individuals remain constant over the generations. Recessive trait appears only when both recessive alleles Q square or QQ come together. The information is used in knowing frequencies of other combinations. Suppose a recessive trait is present in 16% of the sampled population. For example, Q square is equal to 16 or 0.16. So this is the mathematical expression here. 5 basic processes which change the Hardy-Weinberg's principle and bring about the variations at genetic level are mutations, recombinations, gene migrations, genetic drift, and natural selection, which we will deal in the next lecture. Thank you. Some points which we should remember, my dear students, that's called a genetic terminology. For example, character. It's a distinct morphological and physiological feature of an individual. These are the points which we should know. We have to come across these points in the principles of inheritance and variation. Trait. It is an expression of a character like tallness, dwarfness, curly or straight hair. Unit factor. It is the unit of inheritance. Alleles. These were defined by the Batson in 1905. They are the various forms of a gene which are found at the same place or locus on homologous chromosomes and control the same character. In common usage, alleles represent two different expressions of same character. For example, tallness and dwarfness. They are also called allomorphs. Gene sample. Each trait is given a sample. There are two types of conventions for allotting the samples. For example, after the dominant trait, after the recessive trait. Phenotype. It is observable external manifestation of morphological or physiological character or characters. Genotype. It is representative of genetic constitution or gene complement of an individual with respect to one or more characters. For example, pure tall, TT, hybrid tall, capital T and small t, dwarf, TT, small tt. So these points are called genetic terminology, and the student must remember these points. After that, you can get feedback from you can get a feedback from the various topics. For example, evolution is there, genetic drift, gene pools. So when you have came to know these points, for example, genetic terminology में आपने character पढ़ा, trait पढ़ा, unit factor, alleles. हमने एक point अभी discuss किया allele. जब तक आपको पता नहीं कि allele किसे बोलते हैं, they are the various forms of a gene की मुख्तलिफ शक्लें which are found at the same. जिस तरह से माल आसान च, माल में तो मुख्तलिफ फुल आसान च, या तस्बीह तस वनो च, तो ये चीज़ आदिवान च, मतलब just like that. So in the next lecture we will deal the points from our topic, which just I have, for example, gene mutation, gene recombination, independent assortment of chromosomes which were given in this Hardy and Weinberg's principle. Thank you for watching me on the YouTube.